Today we're looking at page 72, B, and our word problems. So B1 asks us, what number is 134 less than 789? So we see the word less. What does less mean? So what sum would I have to do if it's 134 less than 789? So number 2 asks us, Tommy has 200 markers, but his sister has 134 more than him. So Tommy is 200, but his sister is 134 more. So if his sister is more than Tommy, what sum would we need to do? Would it be an addition, a subtraction, a multiplication, or a division sum? Number 3. There are 489 children in Marie's school and 378 in Amy's. How many children are there altogether in the two schools? So when we see the word altogether, what sum do we need to do? Is it an addition, subtraction, takeaway, addition, subtraction, division, or multiplication? Number 4. Emily painted 145 pictures in September. Her twin sister only painted 106. So how many fewer pictures did her sister paint? So Emily painted 145. Her twin sister painted 106. So how many fewer pictures did her sister paint? So what's the difference between the amount of pictures Emily painted and the amount of pictures her twin sister painted? And then number 5. There are 634 people on a train. 145 get off at the first stop, and then 278 more get off at the second stop. How many people are there now on the train? So there's two parts to this sum. So we have to figure out how many people are on the train after the first stop, and then we have to figure out how many people are on the train after the second stop. So there are 634 people on the train at the start. If 145 get off at the first stop, how many are still left on the train after the first stop? So what sum would we need to do there? Would it be addition, takeaway, multiplication, or division? And then 278 more get off at the second stop. So how would we figure out then how many are left on the train after those two stops? So what sum would we need to do? So we know that 634 people were on the train at the start. 145 and 278 people got off the train altogether at the first and the second stop. So how would we figure out how many people are on the train now?